Well, welcome, my favorite people. It's good to have you all back. To you, my returning subscribers, and even the new ones. So much fun to have you here. Today, what are we having is we are talking about how to count numbers in Igbo language. Today, you have to learn how we can count numbers starting from 1 to hundreds, thousands, millions, and billions, all in Igbo. I know you will be waiting for this on how to count. So, without wasting any time, let's go there. We're starting from 1. 1 in Igbo is otu, 2, abụọ, 3, atọ, 4, anọ, 5, ise, 6, isii, 7, asaa, 8, asatọ, 9. Based on tones in Igbo, like I used to tell you, if you don't know about tones, you can go back to some of my videos about tones to learn that. You can call it itolu, iteite, or itenani. 10, iri, 11, iri na otu, 12, iri na abụọ, 13, iri na atọ, 14, iri na anọ, 15, iri na ise, 16, iri na isii, 17, iri na asaa, 18, iri na asatọ, 19, iri na itoolu, or iri na iteite, or iri na itenani, 20, iri abụọ, or ọgụ, based on tones in Igbo as well. Some can say 20, iri abụọ, while others can say ọgụ. 21, iri abụọ na otu, or ọgụ na otu. Now we have to stop in 21. For instance, I want you to write from 22 to 30, and from 30 to 40, and from 40 to 50, and from 60 to 70, down to 90. This is going to be your first assessment on learning this count. This will help you to do well. So in any way you are finding it difficult to write, just write on the comment section telling me where you needed help so that you can learn. So we'll be starting again from 100, that is otu nari. Otu nari na otu, 101, 102, otu nari na abụọ, 103, otu nari na atọ, 104, otu nari na anọ, 105, otu nari na ise, 106, otu nari na isii, 107, otu nari na asaa, 108, otu nari na asatọ, 109, otu nari na itoolu, or otu nari na iteghete, or otu nari na itenani, 110, otu nari na iri, 120, otu nari na abụọ, or otu nari na ọgụ, 121, otu nari na abụọ na otu, or otu nari na ọgụ na otu. That is what 121 give us. Now, I would like to give you another second assessment that will always help you to perfect your Igbo counting. That is starting from 121, otu nari ya abụọ na otu. Starting from there, you will now count down to 200. That is nari abụọ, nari atọ 300, nari afọ 400, nari ise 500, nari isii 6, nari asaa 700, nari asatọ 800, nari itoolu, or nari iteghete, or nari itenani, 900. Now, next time we'll be talking about thousands. We have learned from 0 to hundreds of countings in Igbo language. So, reason why I'm giving you this assessment is for you to be able to try it on your own. But remember, if you have any issue, you can always message me, give me your questions, and if you like this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment, tell us where we would like us to improve so that we can help you. And we don't want to make this complicated so that you can always learn. And as you are learning, please always keep good. Before then, we would like you to keep having fun in your language of Igbo learning, and so that you can always make progress. Have peace and cheers.